MLA ke BJP na penthor ongkra uba Alexander Lalu hai ulo ong ki Ophis Sorkar kimdei bandon ki Jaka mani Blei kani ke Jing Khang Hadien baka ki SU kala khangkhardam ya kawai commander bala kno bala shna bian hapo ko Office CBI Shillong badawa ban pin prano yaka hapo shitayo habakran barkilat pathai Khubor uba hek ulo ong ba omshim liang ya ke jingle jongka ki SU Hindroi ungai baki Ophis Sorkar Jylla bat Sorkar padeng kidei ban long ki Jaka ba padeng ki Jaka ban shnai kinu ki Jaka mani Blei ulo ong ru baki Ophis Sorkar kidei ki Jaka paidbah ba pindon kam ki brio na baro ki jai bin riu bat ke jingdon ki Jaka mani Blei hangta kala ban wanrah ek jingïa bat ke jingïa pher jingmon bomdon kam.
The walk of life, all the community will be working in one organization. You should not have any worship place. Worship place should have a separate worship place, not only in the workplace. That is, I am not against nor favor of anybody who is going to stop for the construction or not. That is a secondary for me. But my general opinions, my personal opinion is, in any workplace, whether it is in the state government or central government, there's a worship place. It should be in your own private place only, or you can go to the identified worship places, not on the public place. The government official offices are the public place. All kind of public will go. Why you want to create unnecessary, create unnecessary inconvenience for the people who are working in that organizations or any other organizations.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.